System errors causing the CA Model Module DLL crashes in specialized software? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we start the CA Model Module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the CA Model Module, frequently part of Specialized Engineering or CAM, Computer-Aided Manufacturing Software Suites. It manages the mathematical models for 3D toolpaths and geometric constraints. A missing Camodel.dll prevents the software from generating technical drawings or 3D previews, resulting in a modeling engine initialization failure or an immediate application crash during the 3D viewport render call. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Unlike system-wide DLLs, CA Model Module DLL is unique to the specialized software environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the CA Model Module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Using an incorrect or outdated version of CA Model Module DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing CA Model Module and system behavior. If this diagnostic helped you resolve CA Model Module error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.